Hello everyone, welcome to this question. 25 divided by parenthesis 2 plus 3 parenthesis 5. This is question number 74 and many found it easy. And if you already solved this, then comment your answer. I will show it and check out my answer and match them. We will take help with the numbers. Okay. So here we can see 25 divided by 2 plus 3 parenthesis 5. So many solve like this. 25 divided by 2 plus 3, that is 5 times 5, and 25 divided by 5 times 5, which equals to 25, and 25 divided by 25, which equals to 1. Do you think this is the right answer? If you are getting wrong answer, we will solve in a better way or in a stepwise manner. So we will rewrite our question here. 25 divided by 2 plus 3 parenthesis 5. Okay. So here, as we know, PEMDAS, parenthesis exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, first preference will be given to this parenthesis. So we will solve first this. 2 plus 3, which will be 5. So we will write 25 divided by 5 times 5. Now we can see there are two operations, that is division and multiplication, and we know that multiplication and division have the same priority, and in that case we have to solve left to right. So we have to operate this first division. So when we operate this 25 divided by 5, we will get 5 as answer. So finally we can write this whole will give 5 as a result, and we will write same 5 times 5 and 5 times 5, which equals to 25. So here right answer is 25. And if you're serious, then must check out this product, Amazon based product for you. In the description, all are Amazon affiliates. If you buy them, this will help my channel to grow. And thanks for watching, and like this video for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.